The A25 PRO GPS drone is a top-of-the-line aerial device designed for both professional and recreational drone enthusiasts. Whether you're capturing stunning landscapes, creating professional-grade videos, or simply enjoying the thrill of flying, this drone has everything you need to elevate your drone experience. Equipped with a 4K HD camera and a 3-axis electronic stabilization gimbal, the A25 PRO ensures smooth, steady, and high-quality footage, even in the most challenging conditions. The gimbal system allows for precise control of the camera's tilt and roll, ensuring crystal-clear shots regardless of the drone's movement. One of the standout features of this drone is its 5.5-inch touchable Android remote control, which not only serves as a controller but can also function as a phone, offering seamless operation with the touch of a finger. The remote's touch interface provides an intuitive and user-friendly experience, allowing you to control the drone with ease. The 360 degrees obstacle avoidance feature, combined with a laser obstacle avoidance head, makes flying the A25 PRO safe and easy. The laser technology is built into the drone's design, offering flexibility and freedom of movement while ensuring it can avoid collisions during flight. With an 11.4V 4500 mAh fast-charging battery, the A25 PRO boasts an impressive flight time and quick charging capabilities. This means you can spend more time in the air, capturing stunning aerial shots, and less time waiting for the battery to charge. The remote control also has a 3-hour operating time after just 2.5 hours of charging. Another innovative feature of the A25 PRO is its Airdrop capability. Equipped with a unique throwing device at the bottom of the drone, you can release small items with a simple click, making it perfect for a range of applications, from delivering small packages to fun activities like airdropping gifts or messages. With the addition of a new intelligent AI chip, this drone is designed to meet the needs of both beginners and advanced users. It offers features like Follow Me mode, with a range of 10 to 100 meters, image recognition, and the ability to capture footage from any angle, thanks to the adjustable camera. Specifications: camera, 4K HD with 3-axis electronic stabilization gimbal. Battery, 11.4V 4500 mAh, fast-charging battery. Operating frequency, 5G plus digital image transfer bridge. Charging time, drone, about 2 hours, remote control, about 2.5 hours. Remote control time, approximately 3 hours. Product size, unfolded, 48 by 39 by 12 centimeters, folded, 22.5 by 12 by 13.5 centimeters. Camera lens FOV, 110 degrees. Mechanical range, tilt, x, -35 degrees to +35 degrees, roll, y, -100 degrees to +70 degrees, adjustable angle, -80 degrees to +0 degrees. GPS Follow Me, 10 to 100 meters. Image recognition Follow Me, 3 to 10 meters. Included in the box: A25 PRO RC drone, remote controller, USB charging cable, 2 spare propellers. The A25 PRO GPS drone combines advanced features, professional-grade imaging, and user-friendly controls, making it an ideal choice for those who want to explore the skies and capture stunning aerial footage with ease. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned drone pilot, the A25 PRO offers everything you need for an unforgettable flying experience. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting drone reviews, unboxings, and tech tips.